Number 7 is a trapezoid, and so the area for that is 1/2 times the height, which is 10, times the sum of the bases, which is 12 plus 6, or 6 plus 12, either order. Okay, so 1/2 times 10 is 5, 12 plus 6 is 18, so 5 times 18 is 90, so 90 square units. Number 8, we have a kite, and the formula for area of a kite is 1/2 times one of the diagonals, and we're talking the whole diagonal here, so 24 times the other diagonal, and that whole diagonal length is 13. So 1/2 times 24 times 13, that works out to 156 square inches or centimeters or whatever it is, in this case just units. Alright, number 9 is a rhombus, and although that's a different shape than number 8, the kite, they have the same formula for area. But what I want you to notice in number 9 is that 16, that's not the entire diagonal length, that's just half of it. So over here would be another 16, and same with the other diagonal, 7, this would also be 7 right here. So our area is going to be 1/2 32, that's 16 plus 16, times 14. So 1/2 32 times 14 is 224 square units. And the last on the first page, number 10, again we have two shapes. We have a rectangle and we have a triangle on top of it. Let's make some more room here. And you are always welcome to use another sheet of paper if you ever run out of room. Okay, so the rectangle should be pretty straightforward. 26 times 4 and 26 times 14, 26 times 14 is 364. And then we're going to add that to the area of the triangle. 1/2 base times height. Okay, now in this triangle, 26 will also be part of that triangle as well as part of the rectangle, but we don't have a base and a vertical height that is perpendicular to it, because that 10 and that 26 of the triangle are not perpendicular. So what we're going to need to find is this side right here. I'll call it x, and we'll do the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus 10 squared equals 26 squared. 10 squared is 100. 26 squared, if you enter that in, you get 676. So if you subtract 100 from each side, x squared equals 576. If you take the square root of that, it does work out exactly evenly to 24. Now that's not my area, that's just what x equals, what this side equals. And so now you could consider either 24 or 10 your base, and the other one the height, because the base and the height have to be perpendicular to each other, and 24 and 10 are perpendicular. So the triangle is 1/2 24 times 10, or 10 times 24. And 1/2 24 times 10 is 120, and so then you add those two together and you get 484, and that's going to be square centimeters.